Hello all, this is Dipali from Shubsagat, Lucknow, India, and today I'm here making this video to show you all that how detachable boxes are working. And as we know that there are lots of invention in every sector, and so we are also doing the same in the box making. And I always love to do innovations in box making. So we have tried this detachable wooden box, and it's a laminated wood which we have used here. And it's termite proof, and if a little bit water drops on the box, it won't harm the box. So so there is a lots of benefit with the box. And that I have told you that it's a mite free, it's some waterproof also, it's detachable. So you don't have to think about that it will get damaged in the transit, as it will come to you in you know dismantle. It will come detachable to you. Every joints, every part will not be joined. uh, so you have to assemble it by yourself, and it can be assembled very easily. So I'll record it. I'll show you all that how you can assemble it. So let's start. What you will receive from our website is these parts to make the box. These, so this box can be made for anything, like for gifting of hampers, any size can be done, like for chocolate boxes also. So currently I am making with the cavity for the chocolate boxes, as there are lots of startups are there who are facing problems, as they order from different cities, and what happen is that sometimes it get damaged in the transit. So to tackle that problem only, we are here with this box. We've also recorded the video 2 years before as well, when we started making detachable boxes. And due to corona it was all messed up, so we are recording again just to show you all how helpful is this detachable boxes in the era of box making. So this is the base is the lower part of the box, and these are another two sides which will come like here. This is the back, and the one which has hole will come here in the front, right? So all will go like this, crisscross. Okay, crisscross, like this, all will go like. So first we'll start assembling it. Then this to be here, then this in this bracket. Just push a bit. So now this part we'll start assembling with this, like this. And then the final part, here you have to do push a bit more, so that it can fixed up. Like this, and it's done. Like, your box is done. You can see I'm holding like this and nothing is coming out. It's all joined. Right, now this is the lid. Just do it here and push it a bit, like this and this. Now if you want to use the box like this only, you can use the box like this. It's done like this. I'm just showing you that if you are keeping it like this, nothing is coming out. It's all assembled. You can see. Now if you are making a chocolate box, then you can just have these cavities. Like this, and it's all done. So it's the box. Hope you like it. New era of packaging, a detachable box which helps in reducing stock cost also, because you will require less space while keeping them in your storage. And there will be less cost also of shipping, because you will be taking it all parts separately. And and it's a termite proof wood. So we have different three types of wood. If you want in other woods also, that is possible. For that, just ring us up in the number given below on this screen. And it's a tassel here. I am using it because tassel, what happens is that when you use tassel in the box, no, so it makes a box look more festive and more gifting. So this is the box. See? Hope you like the video. And to buy these boxes, please call us at our given number on the screen, or you can also visit our website shubsagar.com. Do follow us on our social channels. Thank you. Bye bye.